Good evening, everyone. It is April 27th, 2017. We're doing a quick one box break. 16-17 Upper Deck Black Diamond Hockey number 172. So let's roll this dice right here in random.org. A 1 and a 6, lucky number 7. To randomize these lists of names right here, right there, and the list of teams. So let's roll it. We already rolled the dice actually. 6 and a 1, 7 times. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The final time. After 7 times, Aaron got Aaron at the top. Randy, you're at the bottom. Oh, you go to a card shop, Andrew, and sell? You don't like to sell like on eBay or something? Alrighty, guys. 7 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The final time. After 7 times, Avalanche at the top. Winnipeg Jets are at the bottom. Aaron, Colorado Avalanche. Ryan K, Flames and Flyers. Todd, you got the Panthers. Ryan K, you have the Blues. Todd O. That was Todd O, by the way, with the Panthers. Todd O with the Lightning. Aaron got the Capitals. Ryan K with the Rangers. Blackhawks. Sharks. Canucks. Tom, you have the Devils. Derek have the Bruins. David H, last by Mojo, Senators and Islanders. Ryan K got the Ducks. Tom, you got the Penguins. Let's see. Joe F, you got the Oilers. Ryan K with the Sabres and Coyotes. Todd Reardon got the Nashville Predators. Derek, you got the Canadiens. David H, you got the LA Kings. Ryan K with the Red Wings and Blue Jackets. David H with the Minnesota Wild. Todd, you got the Dallas Stars. Joe F with the Toronto Maple Leafs. Ryan K with the Hurricanes. And Randy, you got the Winnipeg Jets. So I'm going to quickly pause the video, guys, see if there's any trades. Now we'll come back, open up this one box break of Black Diamond Hockey. Stick around. Welcome back, everyone. There were no trades. Here's the list right here. David H, Islanders and Senators, last spot Mojo. Here's the rest of the people in the list. 4 boxes remaining. Box 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go back to random.org to quickly generate one of these boxes. 1 through 4. 5. 5 is not available. Let's do that again. 1. There it is. Box 1 is available. And that is the box we're doing here. 2 to 4 will be for the next one box break. Good luck. Gonna use this blank like I always do to cover up the hits. Alrighty, fellas. Good luck. Columbus Blue Jackets, Brandon Saad, 247 to 249. Columbus is going to Ryan K. Rookie Gems, 80 of 399. Toronto Maple Leafs, going to Joe F. Mitch Marner. These rookie gems do sell very nice. It's a nice hit there, Joe F. Rookie Booklet Relics, Hudson Fasching, Buffalo Sabres, 34 of 299. Buffalo, going to Ryan K. Next one. We have the silver and black rookie signatures. Sonny Milano. 110 of 125. Another hit for Ryan K. Ryan K did have a handful of teams in this break. Last card right here. Good luck. 1 of 95. Black Diamond Championship banners. Martin Brodeur. Going to Tom and the Devils. 94-95 Stanley Cup champions. Exquisite bonus pack is next. Good luck. Could be something big. And wow, this is pretty nice. Rookie patch, 156 of 299, two-color patch, Mitch Marner. Going to Joe and the Toronto Maple Leafs. Nice little break right there. That was a quick one-box break of Black Diamond Hockey. Pretty nice hits right here. Number 173 is in the store. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.